If you're looking to decide whether the Tastee Air Fryer is for you, then this video is for you. I bought and tested the Tastee Air Fryer, and I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of it and letting you know what I like and don't like about it. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by Tastee. I bought this myself and I decided to give it a try. So let's get straight into it. So now out of all the air fryers that I've tested recently, the Tastee Air Fryer is the one that feels the most familiar to me. It really is basically a traditional air fryer. So if you've owned an air fryer before, then there's practically almost no learning curve here. So the first thing that I noticed about it is that it does have a compact design. It follows that traditional air fryer basket air fryer method. It's very easy to understand. So on the top screen, you do have the touch controls here, which are pretty much self-explanatory. And it's basically a good option for someone who wants simplicity. So the dimensions of this air fryer, it measures around 15 inches in terms of diameter, and then it's about 11 inches in width, and then it's about 13 inches in height. So we have 15 by 11 by 13 inches, and then the weight is around 11 pounds. So if you're someone that doesn't plan on using their air fryer all the time, just know that you're going to be lugging around 11 pounds. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that when you are putting the Tastee Air Fryer away, it does have this kind of roll-up wire thing here. So you could actually roll the wire here and set it aside. So you don't have to worry about any dangling cords. And you could even still use it if you're planning to actually plug in the air fryer just to reduce the amount of cord that kind of sticks out. Now, in regards to the air fryer basket itself, this is going to hold about a 5.5 quart capacity, okay? So what that means is that it is large enough practically for most families. It's good for everyday meals, and it's definitely large enough to stack like wings, fries, vegetables, and proteins inside of here. I feel like this air fryer has enough capacity for most couples, let's say just a wife and a husband, for small families for sure. And any everyday cooking can most certainly be done in this air fryer basket. Now the max temperature does sit at 450 degrees, and just like any other air fryers, you are able to adjust the temperature and the timer as well. Now, one of the most interesting features of the Tastee Air Fryer that your old air fryer may not have is the dual sensor thermometer. So on the side here is a dual sensor thermometer. So how this works is that you insert this thermometer on the side hole here, and with it, you're able to cook to certain temperatures. So if you look here on the top, you can basically make steak, and let's say that you want to cook a New York strip steak. You could actually go ahead and cook it to your desired temperature. So if you click on OK, the next thing is that you're going to choose how well you want that steak cooked. So if you're someone who's into temperature cooking, just know that it does have a built-in integrated digital thermometer, which means that you don't have to guess whether your protein is cooked or not, nor do you have to go ahead and overcook or undercook your meals anymore. In addition to that, you can even look inside the air fryer that there is a window. So you could actually look at your food, see the brownness, see if it's actually cooking. And that's all done through this light bulb here, which turns on and off the light as you're actually cooking inside of the air fryer. So it's a little tiny window, but you're still able to see through it. You don't need to constantly open the basket anymore to check if your food is ready. It basically just makes it so there's less heat loss if you're deciding to actually go ahead and open up the basket versus looking through the window. Now with the Tastee Air Fryer, if I click on the power button, you have multiple different presets of controls. So you have different types of steak presets, different types of fish, chicken, pork, and fries. For example, if I click on fries, you'll see that it gives the option for like a 1/4 French fries, maybe 3/8 French fries, or wedge cut French fries. If I click on fish, there's different presets for salmon, tuna. If I click on steak, we have a New York strip steak, ribeye, filet. So there's a lot of different options, and it really gives you that flexibility for cooking different types of foods inside of this air fryer. Now, if you just wanted a regular air fry, you can just click air fry, adjust the temperature by clicking the minus and the plus button. If you want to adjust the time, you can click the same thing, minus and plus button. You could even change the degrees from Fahrenheit to Celsius on this button right over here. So there's an air fryer mode, there's a slow cook mode, there's also a dehydrate mode as well. Now the T button over here, this is customizing different presets for the Tastee presets that are already enabled on the air fryer. Now I do want to cover what's included. So we do have this ceramic basket we kind of have like what I call an elevated air fryer plate. So has a multitude of different uses. And then we have the air fryer grill plate, which is down right over here. This can be removed. And then you have the ceramic coated basket, which is 5.5 quarts. So all of these accessories with the Tastee Air Fryer, all of this is able to be thrown into the dishwasher. The ceramic air fryer or ceramic basket doesn't use any toxic chemicals within inside of it as well. And what I've really liked about it is just simply how easy it is to just throw into the dishwasher. When I'm looking for an air fryer, I do like it in a way in which I don't want there to be a lot of cleanup. So it's throw this into the dishwasher and then simply just wipe the inside and the outside of the Tastee Air Fryer. So I feel like the Tastee Air Fryer, this is really good for first-time air fryer owners. It's very easy to use, it's very simple to use. It's good for small families, it's good for single individuals or any pairs or couples. And if it's also good for people who plan on using the digital thermometer, which is included with it. It's a pretty straightforward air fryer and it doesn't take up a lot of counter space as well. Now, if you plan on cooking for a lot of guests, let's say you have a much larger family, let's say 7 plus or more, if you need more cooking capacity, 5.5 quarts isn't the largest cooking capacity when it comes to air fryers, so this may not be ideal for you. But I'd say the main things that I really liked with the Tastee Air Fryer was it was really easy and simple to use. The touch controls are pretty much all self-explanatory. It's very lightweight, so if you don't use air fryers, you can easily store this away. It only weighs around 11 pounds. You could actually look inside the air fryer as well through the window. And then you also have the wireless probe, which to me is such a cool feature just because I personally like cooking my steaks to a desired temperature. Now, the major cons that I've had to point out is it does have a smaller cooking capacity compared to other air fryers that I've used. I feel like there's not of a lot of presets compared to other air fryers that I've tested. So the advanced cooking presets may not all be used. I feel like with the cooking presets, you may or may not use it depending. Like let's say you never cook chicken or maybe you never cook pork, then those might not just be used at all. But with all the air fryers that I've tested, I actually appreciated how this one here really reminded me of my old air fryer just because there was a lot of similarities. So there are a lot of air fryers out there in the market which are trying to be innovative. They're trying to like make air fryers better, but this is as simple as it gets. And if this is all you need, like just a simple air fryer to air fry your food, doesn't take up a lot of counter space, and still has like that added feature of temperature cooking, I'd say that this is a really great option. Also, you can look through the window and it's very lightweight. So that's pretty much it though, as far as my review on the Tastee Air Fryer. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys all in the next video.